Hey there, folks. If you're looking to part ways with your pocketguard account, maybe because you're switching apps or just decluttering your digital life, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to delete your account safely and efficiently. pocketguard is a fantastic tool for tracking your budget and expenses, but sometimes we all need a fresh start. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your pocketguard app on your mobile device. If you're not already in, go ahead and open it up and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the main menu. This is usually represented by a three-line icon in the top corner or a profile picture, depending on your app version. Next, tap on your profile or settings option. Here, you'll find a list of account-related features. Scroll down until you see something like Account Settings or Privacy and Security. It's often tucked away in this section to ensure you're making a deliberate choice. Now, look for the Delete Account button. It might say Deactivate or Remove Account, but don't worry, I'll guide you through. When you tap it, the app will probably ask you to confirm your decision. This is your last chance to back out, so double-check if you really want to proceed. You'll likely need to enter your password or provide a reason for leaving, as a security measure. After confirmation, the app will process your request, and your account should be deleted shortly. Remember, this means all your data, like transaction history and budgets, will be gone forever, so if there's anything you want to save, export it first. And just like that, you're free. Deleting an account can feel liberating, but if you change your mind, some apps have a grace period for recovery. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and take care.